What's up, guys? So on my way in to the campgrounds, I had to make a little stop and pick up the essentials: chew and 6-pack of Bush. While I was there, I picked up this little pizza. Alright, so I got my pizza cut in half here, and I'm going to take a little bit of my Italian seasoning that I have pre-packed. Okay, so the oven's a little bit too hot right now, so we're going to open the door up. Slide of pizza in there. Alright, so I've got half my pizza in this oven right here. Let me take a look at that real quick. Seems like my rack may have fallen. I'm about 400 or 350 degrees right now, so we're at a good cooking temperature. But I really love fireside pizzas. You throw them in the brick oven with fire on the side. So I've got down here the other half of my pizza cooking. I just put it on 10 foil so it's not sitting right on the concrete. And I'm going to rotate it about every 5 minutes and see how that turns out. And if after about 30-40 minutes it doesn't work out for me, I'll put it in the oven with the rest of the pizza. Something I want to point out while I'm cooking this pizza is that I'm really trying to control the temperature on the oven up here. Now, normally this would be down in the fire, but when I'm here in this campground, there's not enough room in the fire rings. So I'm really controlling my wood input into the fire itself. You can see over here in the corner, they've already taken 2 pieces out, and I've put them around the pizza that I'm baking in the corner. Now I'm hoping it's A, going to stop it from getting too hot from the original fire, and B, help the crust get a little crispier prior to the pizza itself cooking. I like my pizza crispy. As you can see here, we're almost already up to 400 degrees, so what I'm going to do, crack the oven door a little bit and let a little bit more of that heat out, just to keep it at the right temperature. Okay, so I don't think I'm going to have enough daylight to show you guys the fireside pizza. The only real difference is right around here along the edge. It's super crispy, but it's cooking. I'm going to sit back, drink some beer, and have some pizza. coffee in the world right here. Santa's White Christmas from Barney's. Just boiled some water. Okay, you let that sit for about 5 minutes. I'm going to take here the French press, and press it down, and have yourself some nice fresh cup of coffee.
Had gray hair pretty much since I met her.
It just wasn't that bad. I was just trying to help her out here.
Alright, so I just went and picked up a bunch of firewood, and I was going to videotape it for everybody, but I forgot my camera back at camp. So I'm just going to get a little shot of me slicing this up so I can start a fire in the morning, nice and easy. Now I know this is not the safest way to do things. That's what I got. Onion powder, salt, pepper, and garlic.